subscribe to my channel, and also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Welcome to AllAbout PC. Today we will learn how we can upgrade any Android version to 9.0. Open Settings and go to About Phone. As you can see, my current Android version is 5.1. Close this and open your phone's browser. Go to the link that is in the description. Click on Download Root Explorer. We have downloaded the file. Now install this application. Allow root permission. Go to the Root tab and find System folder. Long press on build.prop. Click on three dots and open File in text editor. Find row.build.version. Change this and type 9.0. Click on three dots and save and exit. Restart your phone. We have restarted our phone. As you can see that our Android version has been upgraded to 9.0. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for latest updates.